Hi everyone, my name is Chen Lianwei. I just graduated from the NGS. It is very glad to share my PhD experience with you. Truth to be told, not everyone will find a PhD very fun. But for some people, if you truly embrace the possibilities in this journey, you'll certainly find it very, very fun. The good thing is that NUS always provides the stage big enough to match your performance. Beyond the daily routine of the work like reading paper, designing experience, collecting data, and writing papers, I think it will be more worth and colorful to present my journey from another perspective. This is the start of my PhD journey. It is great fortune for me to meet my supervisor, Professor Hong Minghui from NUS Optical Science and Engineering Center. A PhD journey is mostly about the exploration of new knowledge. How can you explore if you know nothing at the start and there is nobody to guide you? Prof. Hong is the kind of supervisor who treats his students like sons and daughters. One of the great things about the PhD is your supervisor. You are likely to build a lasting relationship with him. It is always great to have someone who can offer you advice and help for many important decisions in your life. And about my research, my focus is on the optical imaging and measurement, just as shown by this setup. A major part of the efforts is to design and further optimize a microscope imaging system so that can break the diffraction limit. This journey of exploration also shaped me in many ways. It makes me very serious. For example, your research results will be presented in a conference room like this. You'll be standing at the center of the stage with the spotlight burning on your face. The top scientists from all over the world will be sitting around you. You will not be judged by your young age, but the knowledge you are broadcasting. These big figures, the authors of the textbooks, they are listening carefully to your presentation. And for a moment, like you feel equal to them. Especially when you are telling an interesting story and they are asking all sorts of questions. If you are seriously enough, you'll discover something more than just research. This picture shows the process of the commercialization. It is a process for us to further develop the product and make the lab concept really beneficial to the society. We started with something published on the paper. Through 4 cycles of further improvements, we can finally end up into something that can be accepted by our customers. These pictures show the important milestones in this exciting journey. The first picture is our demonstration to the CTO of the Sigma Cookie, which is a listed Japanese company with more than 50 years history. After realizing the tremendous potentials of this technology, they finally become our partners. The second picture is a demonstration of our technology in the Photonic West, which is one of the biggest conference for the optical technologies in the world. Our product, the nanoscope, is demonstrated at a central position of our partner's booth. We also participated in many roadshows for the startups. For example, the third picture shows the team in the InnoFest, one of the biggest startup competition in the Southeast Asia. There are also exciting moments when we demonstrate the technologies to the royal family of the UK. Prince Andrew seemed to be very interested in the motion of the bacteria under the microscope. You see, if you are truly serious about your PhD, you'll also be rewarded with something very serious. At the end of the day, you'll not only graduated with a degree, but the shares worth millions of dollars. The process of the PhD journey also freed my mind. In the universities, you can meet people of your age from your generations with different dreams and different backgrounds. In the academic society, communication is highly encouraged. We do not like keeping secrets. We like to talking to different people. It is always a place with young and fresh blood. These people of the same age will help you when you encounter problems in the experiments. They shall also support each other through your entire career journey. There are also possibilities for you to meet those figures in the legends. It is really an honor to meet Sir John Pendry. Once you have the chance to talk to them face to face, you will find that most of these great figures are very kind. They are interested in your research and the story you are sharing with them. They will also encourage you to try harder, and maybe one day you can become one of them. Sitting around the table are all top scientists in the Asian Pacific regions. You realize that sometimes this world is so small, and it just takes a cup of drinks to get you close to the frontier of the science. Oh yeah, you may also meet the right one that will be with you for the rest of your life. In the PhD journey, you will acquire different knowledge and wisdom, but trust me, it will be never enough for you to study this new subject. To end my sharing, I think this picture is a good example to summarize the PhD journey. It is not the galaxy, it is a glowworm cave in the New Zealand. These shining stars are created by the individual glowworms attached to the walls of the cave. They are just like the individual PhDs, researchers, and scientists. Their explorations, their discoveries, all together forms these splendid pictures of human knowledge. For every single day in this PhD journey, we can always do a little bit better and contribute more than yesterday.